Good morning, good day, my friends. Welcome to my channel. With you here, Natalia, Lovecraft Forever. I wanted to do this video face to face. Unfortunately, I got sick and I'm still not doing well, but I want to do this unboxing from ARTDOT.com. Amazing diamond painting storage tray. And I just noticed that there's a Black Friday up there, and I don't want you to miss that amazing sales that's going on right now. So I feel like I can talk a little bit better, so maybe let's just do, it's going to be just on my hands today. So hello everybody, I love you, and please forgive me if my voice gets a little bit rusty time from time. I might will have to stop my video, I don't know. Product link will be under my video in the description box. Make sure you check it out. And as I record my videos for ARTDOT or I do diamond painting, I always say please check out their storage solution because they are the best. I have to say that their website is like the breath of fresh air. I like all the setup, how they do in the blue colors, and just so nice and fresh and kind of pleasant to shop up there. So my friends, I have in here I got with me an iPad so I can kind of check it out. And if I go to shop now, hold on. Oh, it's kind of same thing. You will see there is some good deals in here. Hopefully it's not overflashing too much. Buy 70, get $10 off. Buy 120, get 25% off. Buy 180, get 50% off. Buy $250, get 80% off. It's a very good sales right now. And if we go to hold on, where is there oh, in here on the corner, if I click in here, hold on, you will see that it has diamond painting. Okay, accessories. We will go here and hold on, let me look through my side in here. Diamond painting, okay, trays, storage in here, and right in here you will see storage. Let me click on it, and it's on sale. So right now it's a Black Friday sale, so we have the price of this storage is $56.37, but you can add to your cart any of this diamond painting. It's a save $15, and there's a 3 canvases in here, and I think some of them, or 2 of them, the one that I already did a review for you, and I already did together paint, diamond paint together with you. And diamonds is absolutely amazing, and you saw me working with this trays, which came with the kit. One big one, it was 2 small one, and a whole bunch of different tools, like as to put one by one working and put it back in a container was a little bit not comfortable because it doesn't have a funnel. But the reason is because they designed to be your storage, that's why. So I already opened this beautiful box from the bag and all the sticky tape that was in it, and look at this. First of all, it's a very always nice presentation, how this look like, and showing you in here how can be stacked on the top of each other, how beads, diamonds separate by 3 or all line, how you can collect all of them and have a whole collection with the DMC stickers on it. So in here it says 2-in-1 anti-slip and stackable, which is wonderful. Their logo, and this is 60 pieces. So let me open and you will peekaboo first, because I did not open yet. I really wanted to do this together with you. Okay, you will see first and then I will peekaboo after you. How about that? Okay, ready? Let's see what's in it. Hopefully no bunny jump out of the box. Okay, here it, oh wow, this is so amazing. Okay, let me put this sideways so I can see it. We have in here Craft and Style, ARTDOT Craft and Style. So I believe this will be all DMC code stickers for the trays. Yes, it starts from 150 and I believe the colors match. So wherever you can see, this is going to be exactly matched to color of your diamonds. So how many pages we have in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and some extra, I guess, so you can put your own DMC if you have to have an extra, maybe for different project. I'm not sure what this mean. Kind of is a little triangle. I have to figure out what this for. Well, thank you for that. So that's good to have in this pack, so you can grab each symbol and stick to your containers. And then we have a 1-year warranty. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so 1-year warranty. We have some scan code. You have to scan code to register for 1-year warranty and premium support. And here is the thank you note, I guess, very tiny writing. So yeah, thank you for being a key part of our story, ARTDOT. That's nice. That's nice little touch. And now I think we're going to pull it out. As you can see, can you see or not? It's actually on a sale kind of plastic storage in here. Look at that, and a tray already. So I'm going to pull it out from the box so it will be more comfortable for me to show you. Let me put this box away and see. So we have 60 containers all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have a 20 of big one, and it would be the rest of in the small containers. So small containers, if you watch my unboxing of diamond painting, here is the size of them, and the lid to open, I believe, hold on, where is this? Let me figure out first. Is the point in here or not? Well, I might have to stop my video and try to figure out first where is the lid. I'm thinking, oh, okay, I wasn't opening correctly. Okay, here it is. So when you have a ARTDOT, okay, have to show you. There's a writing in here, ARTDOT. I have to kind of flash it if you can see or not. And on the top of that, so if you put writing towards you, you have to pull it away from you to open lid. And then you have a separation for 3 diamonds and straight line. So when you shake a diamonds, the rest will be collecting on this part in here. And then to close, you just, okay, yeah, you close. Let's see if this way is gonna work. No, this one not gonna work, so it's go same way. Okay, I'm just checking to press it, and it's closed completely. So that's why it's good for the storage. You never have to move your diamonds anywhere else. So if you keep ordering diamond painting from this brand, from ARTDOT, your diamonds colors will be always match, and you can just add your new diamonds to this collection. And usually you have numbers, like it's a 60 pieces. I think it will fit any of your diamond painting project, because more of the time you have a diamond painting with less numbers. And for the big one, we have a look at this big one from this side. You can see maybe better the this separation for 3. So if you have a multiplacer, and if you remember, I have a multiplacer of 3 that came with the designs, that I have 2 designs. So this lid is completely can open, and then here is your grids in here, and diamonds separate in here very nicely. And then you click, push, and it's completely sealed. It's not spillable, if you can see it, all tight. And then the DMC code would go, depends how you want to store, which way, closer to this side or to this side, so you can put your stickers on this side. Yeah, or up front. They look much wider, but if you look closely, the cuts out, it's to make a more smaller size, so it will fit perfectly up there. So yes, now I'm thinking, and you basically can keep them inside of this, it's just a packaging kind of, but it still looks like, you know, storage. And the good thing about it's stackable. So let's see, there they go like a almost like a puzzle. See, if I try to move to slip it, it doesn't slip. It doesn't slip this way till you actually lift it up. So you can just stack on top of each other and keep them wherever you have a space in your room. So this is great. This is great. Now I'm thinking if I should put my diamonds in it. Am I doing it correctly or not? Which way? Which way is this stays here? Okay, this thing up. Okay, so this way. Now I'm thinking if I should do all my diamonds to put in here instead of the other one container that I have from ARTDOT, the little green one, because little green one have, I believe, only 30, I think, little tiny bottles, and I can show you right now. I believe they still have them in a store. See, this is design that we were working with you. Diamonds are so shiny, but I have just a little bit of the diamonds in here because this container is small, and I do have huge containers from ARTDOT as well, but I have a different diamonds up there. So in here, see, like I keep an extra in here and some more extra. No, I think this is all in here. So yeah, it's only like 30 in here, I believe. So it's not enough for me to display them all. So I might be I'm going to put maybe them in here. Diamonds, they have bigger bags of diamonds would go into the bigger containers, and DMC, that's list of the colors, so I would put in a smaller one, and then I have all of them display nicely together. I can't remember right now how many colors I have in the previous diamond painter that I work on, but this is definitely will be like a game changer. And I love that they are stackable, and it would be easy to reach, and you don't have to worry anymore about funnels to have to put your diamonds back. It's always handy, which will save you as well time by, you know, you don't have to all the time put from the Ziploc bag into different containers. So I highly recommend, while it's a Black Friday sales, check it out of their product. Not only this storage, this is brand new one storage, but also older storage that you have this kind. It was a set of 3. Also they have a different colors, a bigger one and a huge one that fit, I think is 400 something bottles. Huge collection of storage up there for your diamond painting. And of course now they have diamond painting canvases, all licensed, so you not only support store, but also you support artists who provide their art and work so many hours to create the art. So ARTDOT have a licensed design. Don't have too many designs yet, but you know what, better have a little bit but licensed instead of thousands design that is stolen from the artist. So I do appreciate that very much. Thank you so much, ARTDOT, and I appreciate for waiting for my video. I'm getting better hopefully soon. So thank you. I'm going to make this video short and sweet. I appreciate you all for your support and wishing me good health, and I'm already feeling like I'm losing my voice already, so I'm better finished. So go ahead, check it out store. I will provide link under my video, and also on the end of this video as an end screen I will add my unboxing video of diamond paintings. If you missed it, you can see it, and maybe some of my older video unboxing of the storage that I'm talking about. It's a very big. Also light pads, there has so much. So check it out, tools and accessories. You will not regret, because this company is really high quality product, and I'm really proud to be right now here talking about this company, and I am lucky to receive this as a review for you. So I appreciate it very much. Thank you, ARTDOT. And my friends, happy shopping. Don't miss Black Friday. It will end soon, so happy shopping, and tell me what you got. If you buy something, comment below. I'm so happy to read your comments. Thank you again.